it's me, Camille, and I'm gonna show you how the small earthquake started. Nothing fell or nothing. Oops. Okay. This is how it happened. Pretend. Okay. Oh my goodness. What? I totally have to tell Mom about that. Oh my goodness. There's something under the bed. Abby, did you feel that? Oh my goodness, my dog Abby probably felt it. Oh my goodness. That was so scary. Something's haunting on me. I'm telling Mommy. She's gonna understand more. And I hope she does. I'm gonna go tell her. I don't want to cry because my reflexes so much. Mother! There was a bounce in the room.
Stop.
Turn the music. Turn the news on. The news is on? Okay, we'll have to call it and watch the news. Alright, that's how it went.